Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no service SIM card problem on iPhone. So experiencing a no service issue on your iPhone can be frustrating, but several steps may help resolve the problem. Number one, check your coverage area. Ensure you're in an area with cellular network coverage. If you're in a location with known poor reception, this could be the cause. Number two, toggle airplane mode. Activate airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your device connection to cellular networks. Number three, restart your iPhone. Power off your iPhone, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues. Number four, check for carrier setting update. Go to settings, general, about. If an update is available, you'll be prompted to install it. Carrier settings updates can improve network connectivity. Number five, remove and reinsert the SIM card. Eject the SIM card using a SIM eject tool or paperclip. Inspect it for damage or dirt and reinsert it securely. Ensure the SIM tray closes completely and isn't loose. Other ways, just reset network settings, navigate to settings, general, tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, and then reset network settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so be prepared to enter them. Digital trends, you can now update your iOS, you can contact your carrier, and for the last option, visit an Apple Store or authorized service provider. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.